Let's go, guys. Welcome to the live stream. It's been a long waited. Everybody has been in the comments wondering when am I going to do a withdrawal. So, this live stream, we're doing the withdrawal, and I decided to go live on YouTube for you guys to check out. So, right now, we have about 3 people online. I'm really excited to show you guys this. This is the first time that I'm going to withdraw for the year of 2025, and this is the biggest withdrawal that I've done yet. It's actually a record for me, and I'm really excited to show you guys this. And yeah, so be sure to stick around because in this live stream, we're going to give away a free lifetime membership to somebody in the comments. And also, 8 lucky people are going to get 88% off of the lifetime membership in this live stream. All right, guys. So, ready? Let's go ahead and do this. Check it out, guys. First things first. Right here, we're going to show you the trades that I've been doing using prop firm algo. Prop firm algo is what I've been able to use to mitigate risk, and also the price action indicator for MT4, MT5, and also TradingView. So this is what we're looking at, guys. We're looking at retracements, and this is fully based on trends. So for instance, there's a lot of indicators out there that in a bullish trend, you'll start to have unnecessary sell signals. Here, this is not the case. We're actually doing trades that are only in alignment to the current trend. So just on the 30-minute of XAU USD, you could see that there's a set of buy signals only, and this is the default settings. We're going to go a little bit about the strategy later on in the stream. Again, we're going to actually go straight into FX Life Capital, where I've been able to do these trades, which is a full-on 360 solution. So it's not only a broker, it also has prop firm challenges. These prop challenges are instant funding. You have phase 1 challenges, phase 2 challenges. So it's an all-in-one solution. We're going to go over exactly what they provide inside of this stream, but this is my account right here that we're going to go over in my my login. So real quick, right here they have different products that you guys could choose from. You could choose a instant funding account, which is called a Power Live account, which is what I have here. And then you could also do a prop firm challenge, which is your typical 1 and 2 phase challenges. So the best part about this is they're not hidden rules here, guys. There are no hidden rules at all. So, for example, you're only looking at a max loss of 5% and a max overall loss of 10%. The max daily loss is 5%, and that's it. There isn't no, oh, if you make too much money, they're going to withhold profits. There is none of that. It's very, very straightforward. And your profit targets are very, very straightforward as well. Now, what I like about this is the opportunity you have with also social trading. There's just a bunch of things that you can do within this broker that is hands down better than anything that I've seen out there. So these are the accounts that you can get. These are the synthetic accounts, which I'll go over later in the stream. But what we're withdrawing today is the Power Live account. The Power Live account is an immediate funding account where there's no challenge needed. It's not like I have to do a phase 1 or a phase 2. It's straight to funded. So I got the $10,000 where they 10x my capital, which is a total of 100K of funding capital. If you look right here, it's straight to funded, and that is a 90% split. So out of my withdrawal, I'll be getting 95% of my profits. Basically, I deposited $10,000 and the broker 10x'd my deposit and then turned that into $100,000 where I can trade, and we split the profits with the broker. And right here, we have a max overall loss of 10%. So, and don't forget, guys, you have the opportunity to use our code AguaBros10 to get 10% off of any funding challenge here at FX Life Capital, and Prop Firm Algo lifetime members get 15% off. So with that being said, let's go ahead and check out my Power Live account, which is to the left right here. We're gonna go into my challenges. So my challenges, yo, this is it. Let's go. Oh my God, man. This is crazy. So $35,000 right here, Power Live account 100K. So typically, like any prop firm, you could go to your details. We're going to check this out, guys. We're going to check this out. Okay, so right here, I have a 35% growth, 35.3% growth. You could check out the history right here. And a lot of the trades that I go through, I sent out within prop firm algo. Well, we could download that and check that out later. Well, you could also see the trades that I have taken right here. A lot of the stuff that I trade is XAU USD and a lot of US 30. In the beginning, we had, let's say, a couple trades that I lost because it just was fresh over here. Wait, let me see if we could see open right here. There it is. Very first trade. And then the second trade had very few losses right here. 1,000 loss. So 1, 2, 3. 3 losses out of all these trades. That's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And what's really great with Prop from Algo is that I'm using the risk manager. And what the risk manager is, it allows me to auto calculate my lot size. So this is designed for prop trading. This is where I can easily just define where I want to enter, which we'll go over in this stream. Basically, these are the entry lines. You can see that the buy signals here on MT4 and MT5 are quite different than the buy signals that you have on TradingView right here. And again, price action that is fully based on the trend. We're not going to get any sell signals when the trade is bullish. When the market is bullish, why are we going to be shorting? We're going to be doing trades that go with the trend. I'm pretty sure you guys heard the whole term, the trend is your friend. Well, the trend is your friend and it makes your pockets fat. Okay? You have to trade with the trend, guys. And that's what I really like about prop from algo. Now, of course, we have some we have some reversal alerts that are more intuitive on TradingView. But like I said, just an example just to show you, this is another account that I have that's a live funded account, personal, the flip account challenge that I'm actually doing on YouTube. So if you guys want to see where I'm flipping this account starting at $55, actually in this stream, we're going to go ahead and sign in to the MyFX book so you could see everything with full transparency, everything very clearly on the $55 deposit, which I've shared on YouTube, and every single trade with the community has been sent out within the Discord of Prop from Algo. So basically, this is that account. And the first thing you want to do is choose your type of order. I'm going right here and saying I want to buy, for example. Then I could say, this is my stop loss. I'm going to say, well, I want my stop loss to be under this B institutional entry line, and I want my TP to be at the previous high. Another great thing that you have is by clicking next pivot, it's going to go to the previous low or the previous high. So right there, it went to that swing low, which is a good area to have a stop loss. So if you're a new trader and don't know where to put your stop loss, it's just a few simple clicks. And I want my TP to be at the previous high. Very simple. And now I'm going to define where I want my entry. I'm going to set my entry right at the B institutional entry line, which is this right here, the solid line, which is also in TradingView, the dotted line right here. So we're looking at the 30-minute on XAU USD, and I'm looking at here the 5-minute on XAU USD. Once I've decided where's my stop loss, where's my TP, where's my entry point, this is a limit order that I'm creating. We could either choose market, which will actually is going to be a horrible risk to reward if I enter right here. We're going to choose limit and have my point of entry at the entry line. And now I could easily say, well, how much do I want to risk? And this is how I've been able to get funded with these accounts and stay funded. When you get your account, don't go straight into risking 1%. You're going to risk a 0.25%. And there's a lot of people who have struggles with calculating their lot size. So They're trying to figure out what lot size to do, have no idea how to calculate their lot, and it becomes gambling at that point. You need to understand, okay, how many pips am I going to be willing to lose on this trade, and how those amount of pips can equal a specific dollar amount. So instead of doing this whole calculation in your head, which takes time, and by the time price gets there and you're rushing into your trade, you accidentally hit a few buttons, and then you might do an over leveraged trade, and that might hinder your whole entire process and psychology. Here, we start with a 0.25% risk. I'm literally just typing it in right inside of this box. And then once I click buy, it's going to auto calculate the lot size for me. So here's my entry, here's my stop loss. And by hovering my right there mouse, $11 out of my $4,000 account. Now, if let's say I'm gonna do 1%, so that way it's just easier for you to see. This is an option if you want to do a fixed lot size, which I do not recommend. It's fun to do a fixed lot size if you know what you're doing and you're doing flip accounts, which I do a lot on this flip challenge. But here we're going to do 1% risk. We're going to click buy. We're going to go ahead and click stop loss. We're going to click TP. And now next pivot, next pivot, next pivot to move my stop loss at the previous swing low. That's a good area, which is behind the B institutional entry line. And let's just say right here. And defining my entry point at the B line right there. And now 1% risk. If I click buy, just like that, $46 out of my $4,500 account with a few simple clicks. It's telling me I'm risking 777 points or 77 pips, and it's all done automatically. So what is the strategy? Once you get your account or get your prop account, you're going to start with 0.25% risk. Then you're going to bring that account up to 0.5% in profit. Once you have your account at 0.5% in profit, you still stay at a 0.25% risk for a 1 to 2 risk to reward, meaning you're risking a set 1%, or in this case, 0.5% or 0.25%, and you're going to be willing to get double of what you're risking, 1 to 2 risk to reward. So with the 0.25% risk, once you're finally at 1% profit, you could then up your risk amount to 0.5%. Now, you're going to continue to trade at a 0.5% risk until you reach 2% profit. Once you're at 2% profit, then you could start risking 1%. Because if you only have 10% of a max loss and you're risking 1%, that means you're going to have 10 trades to possibly lose the challenge. But if you create that buffer room, you're going to protect yourself much greater and have a greater probability of getting to that funded stage and staying funded. So that's how I've been able to manage not only my prop accounts, but my also self-funded accounts. So when I go self-funded accounts, I take the same approach. I never want to go lower than my deposit. So that's really cool. I'm going to go ahead and exit this out right here. And there's a bunch of cool features on this thing, like auto stop in profit, auto trailing stop, and a bunch more. We got a couple people in the chat right here. Let's see what they're saying. Let me see. How do you look at the live chat right here? Let's go. Con, enough of the affiliate sales. Max overall loss 10%. All right. From my knowledge, there aren't. All right, let's go. Yes, they have a prop firm too. Yes, so they have the prop firm account and it's also the broker, but it looks like someone doesn't want to hear about how to calculate risk. It's really important, guys. I'm just showing you what to do when it comes to calculating risk and how you could do it seamlessly, effectively, and easily. And how I've been able, once again, to reach this amount, 35%. 35% gains on my 100K account. So this is the account, guys, and we're going to see how fast this withdrawal goes. I haven't done this live yet, but typically they're really, really fast. And I haven't seen a delay more than a couple minutes. So it's going to be cool for you guys to see. Let's go back into my challenges. Let's go. Oh, what's up, Kia? Let's go. A lot. Yes. Awesome. Thank you so much for being here, Kia. Really excited. And we're going to be live trading next week. Since you're a lifetime member, we're going to be doing that next week. And hopefully you could participate in the live Zoom call. So for everyone who's contemplating to be a lifetime member, now's your chance to use the 88% off and get a lifetime membership before the 8 spots run out. So here, we're going to request withdrawal. Drum roll. Oh man, this is crazy. Awesome. Okay, so right here, pretty simple, guys. And also, if you guys want to know how to withdraw, I'm going to do a whole tutorial on how and what you need, the KYC, step by step, in a more tutorial format. So if you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on how to do it, and make sure that you have everything you need to be able to withdraw. Since I've already withdrawn with them, I have everything set up, ready to go. Okay, confirm your withdrawal. Please click OK to confirm your withdrawal request. Oh, snap. Okay, let's go. Oh, man. I just hit yes. All right, let's go. Withdrawal request was made, completed. Let's go. Yo, prop from Algo. This is crazy, bro. Amazing. All right, so now let's just see what happens in my email. I should be getting a notification very soon. We'll come check this out in a bit. But yeah, it looks like it hasn't came in just yet. So let's go back over here. Did it come in? Right there. Yes, let's go. Withdraw request received. Dear Enoch, you have successfully received the withdrawal request for 33,545, which is 95% split, guys. 95% split. Amazing. From your account, number 9337. Our team is currently reviewing the request and will notify you as soon as the verification and process are complete. Important information. We will never ask you for personal information. All right, basically a bunch of stuff to protect yourself, to make sure that you don't give away stuff and stuff like that, because easily, you know how the internet is. You have to be careful of people asking you for information. Never, ever pick up the phone and give information to people who are asking you information. Never answer an email that's asking you information. Just don't do it, guys. And especially to people who are DMing you saying, send me this, or hey, I could do this for you. Like, no one's going to DM you and start offering you services. So if someone like is me saying that, oh, I'm going to do this and that for you, it's not me. I'm not going to do it. Like, that just doesn't exist. So just be careful. Be smart, guys. All right, so back at it. Let's go. So we should be able to get this set forward now. And basically, now it's just a waiting game. And now while we wait, I'm going to show you a little bit more about the strategy and what I look out for. This is a retracement-based algorithm. So you could see right here, these institutional entry lines, these are the point of entry. And you see these buy signals, usually on other softwares or other indicators, they have a candle close mechanism, and then the buy signal or sell signal comes out. And what usually happens after that is the complete opposite. This is not that. Here, we have a clear defined area where to enter, which I like to call a point of interest. You should be able to understand where the point of interest is and plan your trade before even executing it. It's not that you're getting these buy and sell signals randomly. It's not like you're using some indicator and then, oh, there's a signal, oh, there's a buy signal, and then you're rushing into the trade. That's never going to work. It's unsensical. So here, on the contrary, we know exactly where we're going to enter. We're going to enter at the institutional entry lines, and there are different levels of retracement. Look at this de-institutional entry line that is colored gold. Right here is perfectly in alignment to the 4-hour resistance, which is now going to act as support. You see, it was rejecting here at this area, and now that entry point is perfectly in alignment to that zone. So going to draw something up real quick right here, coming down to this institutional entry line, this is entry A, or 1, 2, 3, and 4. So typically what I like to do is it's a good idea to have my entry at one of those entry lines and then exit at the previous high, or at least put your stop and profit here at this area, because it might turn around and then stop you out. And then having this stop loss here right behind the B institutional entry, just in case just in case price comes back down to this entry for another entry. And then again, I'm risking only 0.25% on the first entry. If it does come down to this entry, I could then enter another 0.25%. Now, of course, this risk to reward here is going to be way favorable, way better, much better than the other trade. Of course, absolutely. So I'm just going to put it right here, right there. So if I had this entry, which is at that B line, and this risk to reward is 1 to 4, almost 1 to 5, 1 to 5. So before the trade even gets there, you can calmly calculate your entry before deciding to enter, rather than rushing into a trade. Awesome. Let me see if I got anybody inside. It's 1 a.m. in Texas. My eyes are burning. Oh, yo, thank you so much. Yeah, it's this trading lifestyle, you're gonna be up. You're gonna be up. Let's check out the email and let's see if we got it. Congratulations, your profit split from the funded account has been processed. Let's go. Yo, I'm telling you, these guys are so fast. It's insane. Insane. Congratulations, your profit share from the funded account has been approved. It's been approved. Yo, did I get the account? Did I get it already? Like, let's see. Yo, normally, let's say, you're not going to believe this. I had a cousin, well, I still have a cousin, and he was funded with this prop firm. I made a video about how they're scams. Nova Funding. Dude, at other prop firms, you're sitting around waiting, hoping to get paid out. You're hoping to get paid out. You're emailing them, when are you going to get paid? And then, oh no, you have to wait 3 weeks. And then you're waiting, I don't know how long until you get that payout. So here, it's not that. Look at that. Let's go, bro. What the heck? How many? I don't even know how fast that was. That was literally minutes. Was anybody tracking on the minutes? Hold up. Let me see. I think that was the last comment. Insane. So you get to see how fast that is. Look at that. Straight into my wallet. So from here, this is the wallet where you deposit. You can, let's say, for instance, and by the way, I'm going to show you every single step of the way, like a tutorial, how to get it, how to deposit, how to withdraw and send it to your crypto exchange, the whole 9. So your e-wallet here, this is where you're going to be able to set your withdrawals and deposits. This is the available balance that we just made from my $10,000 deposit. So I deposited $10,000, got $100K. From that $100K, I just made $33,000. $33,000, 95% split. The broker made money, I made money, and look at this, solid. And basically, you choose where you want to withdraw it. Right here, you could choose ETH or let's say USDTRX, which by the way, the USDTRX is going to be much cheaper than the USDT ETH, which is the ERC20. And again, guys, like and sub if you want to see the whole entire process. And I'm going to show you withdrawing it in another video, more tutorial-based style on how to get it to your crypto exchange. And from there, you could take it anywhere you want. Really straightforward. Let's see. Let's go. Paradise Capital is the same. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, so for me, this is the paradise of brokers and prop firms. So it's really, really awesome, man. I've been with these guys for a very long time. I've started, like, since they started, it's almost 4 years now. Almost 4 years of them before even having prop solutions. So they were only a broker, and they just recently started prop solutions. And it's really awesome to be a part of it. Seeing their growth has been amazing. And look at that. I literally just have my withdrawal right here, and I can't wait to continue to show you guys all the different cheat codes on how to maximize your money online. This is available to the majority of the world. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So right here in my products, right here in the products is where you can choose the type of challenge, guys. And I like to say, if you're new, just start an account and free trial right here. It's kind of like the FTMO free trial. And the great part is that you can have metrics. Let's go into my metrics account and see right here. Go into details, chart view. Amazing. So you have a whole entire metric system all inside the back end with your free trial account. So you could really monitor your whole entire process while you trade. And that's what you want. You want to be able to monitor your trades and use a journal. So let's just check out the Discord, which, by the way, this is the Prop from Algo Discord, where I've been sending out my trades. We're going to show you the MyFX book of where I started at $55 and I took it all the way. Where is it now? It's yeah, I don't even know where it's at right now. I think it's at $10,000 now. So check it out. Boom, boom, boom. Look at this. Dope entry, PFA. Let's go. We have someone here. Why is it looking disabled? There you go. Loading heats. I don't know why the whole entire name was like off right there. Kia, and I think you're still here on the live stream. This is right here, Kia, who's inside of the live stream right now. Today, 15-minute entry was absolutely beautiful. Look at this. It's like almost no drawdown. Amazing. Wow, 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 wow. Absolutely amazing. So let me check out the chat right here. Sweet. So we have Kia, who's posting profits. She's just recently started as a lifetime member. And here, these are all the profits of all the community where we show our results. Kia again with more profits. We have Castle LLC, where she bought on the 15-minute as well. I made a whole entire 15-minute strategy on how to trade XAU USD step by step. Another 3,000 right here. Kia, you've been killing it. You've been killing it, bro. Keep it up, bro. Keep it up. Let's go. Let's go. So, yeah, this is on the 15-minute as well. Wow, bro. Kia, you have profits in here like crazy. Let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Amazing. Loading heat. Let's go. Look at buy percentage. Amazing, 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 amazing. Again on the 15-minute, and this is on NASDAQ. We have A1 trades. Let's go. And yeah, so that's a little bit of the Discord. Let's go into the actual VIP trade ideas. And inside of the Forex chat is where I use this as personal, like my journal. This is my journal, guys, and I use it where I send my trade ideas for everybody to learn from, what we're looking out for. You see, A1 Trade sent out this trade at 116, long round 2, XEU, 15-minute, and then boom, everybody could follow along, like it, comment on it, and then together we grow as a community. And then this is the profit at 8:23 a.m. Is that the same one? Yep. Awesome. So that is that. Let's go. So now let's go on to really quick. I wanted to show you this here. Yeah. So basically I show you guys like when the news is coming out, which is really important. Remember, guys, trading is not just technicals. There is a whole entire fundamental backing and why certain things are happening in the market. The why behind price moving. Like, for instance, I'm explaining that the CPI came out, which was negative for the dollar, DXY negative. You see the dollar index going down, which then means we might see start pushing up right here. So with gold pushing up, we already know we're going to wait for the retracement. Everybody's getting wicked out, coming to the previous low. People who are inside of longs early got wicked out. People who are going shorts are getting wicked out, and we're entering with the institutions at the entry lines. These are called institutional entry lines. Just this is the previous buy signal, and then boom, this is step by step. It's just really straightforward, really close. I'm now seeing this post, but you took the same entry and it worked. Let's go. Shout out to Coffee Mustang. I don't know if you were able to make it. And right here, I hit TP too. Let's go. Kia. No, you've been killing it, Kia. For real. Amazing. So let's go back onto here, right here. Awesome. So we have the 3 lines here. We could download our, we could download the whole entire spreadsheet that we want. And then if you hover, it tells you exactly like the profit that you made. Absolutely amazing. A lot of cool stuff, guys. A lot of cool stuff with this broker/prop firm. FX Life Capital is by far innovative in the space. I highly recommend getting a hand into risk management, practicing first, understanding the setup, going step by step, and then taking a challenge. Don't go straight into taking a challenge thinking that you're going to make a bunch of money and forcing yourself to get paid because you want to quit your job. It's going to add unnecessary stress to your life. What I say is practice on a demo account with FX Life Capital, where you see the process is extremely easy to withdraw faster than any other prop out there. They treat you like a broker should. It's not like a prop firm where you have to wait for them to pay you and you're getting paid out from someone else's profits or someone else's loss. And it's this whole entire pyramid scheme with these other prop firms. Here, you're dealing with a broker that is well known, a great reputation, and has great technology, fast execution, low latency, tight spreads. And when you make a deposit, they're matching your funds with theirs. So your capital and theirs together are placed in an account where then you could trade it and effectively withdraw immediately. It's absolutely amazing. So yeah, chart view is right here. A lot of cool stuff. I'm gonna go into, let's say right here. Awesome. Really awesome stuff. And by the way, I did a video on how you guys can get a free challenge. So you can even do the championship and then get a free challenge that way. Now, going back onto TradingView, we're going to discuss more about the strategy. Let's see what else we have in the comments. Nothing else in the comments, guys. But thank you so much for everybody who's here right now. Let's go into a different, or you know what? Let's interact a little bit. What chart do you guys want to see? Drop it in the chat. Tell me what chart you want to see, and I'll show you guys right now, and we'll go over it. We'll literally go over it and show you guys whichever chart you guys want. So in the meantime, I'm going to go and check out another chart that I like to trade a lot, which is US 30. Let's just check out US 30 in the meantime that you guys tell me what chart to look at, and we'll look at it together. This is the 30-minute on US 30. All right? Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at the amount of pips that we have here. Sorry. Right here, we're going to start. Almost little to no drawdown on this. My God. This is a total of 987 pips. 9,800 points on US 30, bro. It's insane. So y'all better ask questions. The indicator worth it. Exactly, Kia. Y'all better ask questions. The indicator worth it. Yo, Kia, you've been killing it. I can't wait to meet you in the live Zoom calls with the community. So like there you could like turn on your video and we actually get to talk. On YouTube, it's just me talking the whole time, which is a little weird, but it's also fun. All right. So we're looking at US 30, guys, and I just want to show you like just how powerful this is. And the reason why I say powerful, when people are getting stopped out and everybody's thinking that the price is going down, we're doing the complete opposite. because this is a retracement-based indicator. Look at this. How many people do you think shorted here? How many people do you think saw this huge candle to the downside and said, hey, it's time for us to short? Look at this. 1 second. Boom, boom, boom. I'm just going to turn this on and remove the indicator, so you could see the difference. And when you have nothing, no prop from algo, just standard candles, how many people do you think saw this candle here and said it's time to short? Without prop from algo, I'm sure a lot of people shorted right here. A lot of people shorted right here, said, oh, this candle broke, it's right here at the previous low, and now price is gonna come down, and then people started shorting. Not at prop from algo. Not at prop from algo. We're literally doing the opposite of retail traders. And that's why this indicator is only going to be available to 1,000 people. They're literally going to stop allowing lifetime members at 1,000 people and cap the amount of people who could sign up so it stays exclusive. It's not like all these other indicators that are just letting thousands of people sign up. They're basically a money grab. Here, they're building a community and they're looking for traders to then start an actual hedge fund, like for real, where there's going to be a whole trading platform where there's going to be desks, and that's their whole long-term goal. On top of that, funded traders like myself who show profitability, who have their own strategy, can then get coded a algorithm and software based on their strategy after showcasing a past challenge. And once they code a strategy for you, now you have the opportunity to have your strategy coded by them as a partnership where it's going to be on their online marketplace. Really awesome. So we're looking at short right here. This is what people would do, right? People would look at this. Okay, it's time to short. Let's put this stop here behind this low, and then right there. And they'll do a 1-to-1, which I like. When it's 1-to-1, I'm not taking the trade. Like right away, I'm not taking a trade. Minimum 1-to-2. It has to be a minimum 1-to-2 for me to even consider it to be a trade. All right, so that's what people do. Now let's turn on prop from algo. We're doing it prop from algo way. We're gonna go long, and in this case, let's say we go long right here, putting the stop right behind there, and then we're gonna do a 1-to-2 risk to reward right here. Boom. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. And look at this one right here. Little to no drawdown on these entries. And look how it respects the institutional entry line. Wow. Look at that, man. Let's see in the chat. No people would not that. I don't know what you're trying to say. So yeah, definitely people would short there thinking that candle was a bearish momentum, and it's not. It's absolutely doing the opposite. You can clearly see, again, that it's respecting those lines. Now, we're going to go ahead and continue to show you the strategy. It's basically retracing back down to the institutional entry and continuing based on the current trend. Look at that. It's respecting it. It respects it. So another thing that I want to point out is how these entries perfectly align with the fib retracement levels. Oh, I want to see what happened to the chart. Let's go. US 30 will make you home. US 30 will make you homeless or a billionaire. Quick, for real. All right, so Snack says to check out USD CAD. Awesome. Awesome. Let's go. So USD CAD, let's see. USD CAD. You know what? We're going to make this a little bigger. Oh, wait. USD CAD. Awesome. All right, so on the 30-minute time frame, USD CAD, we had this short signal where it tells you the bearish trend. Let me get rid of this here. Perfect. So this is the TRF line that is showing you a possible support during this bearish trend. So when you're shorting right here and there is a TRF line, you can either use these points to, let's say, put your stop and profit just in case the trade turns around against you, or decide not to enter at all. So for instance, here where the TRF line is white and the candles are white, it's going in the same direction. This is a high probable setup. If you're seeing the TRF line that is white and the candles are green, you might want to stay away from that chart. Excuse me, you might want to stay away from that trade or use a smaller lot size and risk less. So that is how I could verify if it's going to be a high probable setup or a low probable setup. Right here, the bullish trend is confirmed with the white candles together with the white TRF line and the white RTD line. And that was a beautiful entry. Now, the great thing that I like about this indicator is the TRF line in alignment with the higher time frame. So you have the higher time frame support and resistance, like right here. This is a 4-hour resistance, I bet, and the daily resistance, right? So if you see price at the daily resistance, you want to typically stay away from that trade. So let's go on to the 4-hour time frame. Can we do a 3-minute time frame real quick? Awesome. Let's do a 3-minute time frame real quick. But first, before we do the 3-minute time frame, we have to start at the higher time frame first. This is what I call top-down analysis. There's this trader that I forget his name, but he uses this funny analogy, which I actually enjoyed and I thought it was quite funny. A lot of the traders struggle with something that's called singular time frame sickness. What is singular time frame sickness? That means that you're only looking at one time frame. You're not aware of the higher time frame price action. And you're literally getting yourself sick from only looking at one time frame. Look at this. I had the idea of price coming down and hitting this entry point and long, but I didn't get the buy signal. So with that understanding, well, let me get a drink of water. Make sure you guys stay hydrated. Oh, wow. Wow. The camera, looks like the camera is not working. One second, guys. All right, so the camera's not working, guys. I don't know what's going on. Let me just do this real quick. Change real fast. So you guys could actually see. Ah, the battery is dead. That's what happened. I'm new to this whole entire streaming stuff, guys, so please bear with me. There you go. Hey, what's up? We're back. We're back. And yeah. All right, sweet. All right, so what we're looking at is the higher time frame first. Starting off with the 4-hour or let's say the daily. For example, right here, you see the 4-hour resistance? Look how many times price fell at this point, okay? We're going to go ahead and just make a couple circles. Sorry, excuse me. Right here. 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5, 6. If I open up the settings of prop from algo and I go all the way down to top-down analysis filter, we're going to turn this thing off right here. Top-down analysis filter. Turning it off. Without it, you, especially if you're a new trader, you would not see or notice that there's an area of resistance here. an area where price clearly is shown to struggle to break. Every time price came to that area, it's come down. So with the top-down analysis feature, it allows you to see this automatically. It's still a good idea to do it on your own. And understanding that, we're going to go into the 3-minute time frame, and it's going to allow us to stay away from any signals that are buys at this resistance, because the higher time frame is so much stronger, guys. It's so much stronger. So instead of, let's say, taking a 3-minute buy in this area, we're going to be looking for shorts. We're going to be looking for short entries. We're going to be looking to short around here and even way up there. And then we're going to be looking to buy at the support. Look how many times price respected the support. Buy, did a fake out, and then it bought, buy, here. So that's why I say we start at the higher time frame first. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and look at the 3-minute time frame. Let's go. How funny. My hair is dope, but it removes the focus from the charts. Damn, man. Well, I'm cutting it off soon, so hopefully it'll help you. Oh, that's hilarious. Geez, just realized the indicator is yours. This is actually not my indicator. This is Prop from Algo's indicator, but hopefully one day I'll have my indicator available with Prop from Algo. So we're looking at the 3-minute. Like I said, remember, I should have colored this one a certain color. But anyways, we're at the 3-minute. Yeah, I should have circled it. I should have circled it a different color. At the 4-hour support and the daily support. So why are we going to be interested in selling here when it's clearly shown in the past that price rejected that area? And that's how you could, again, protect yourself from taking these short setups. And I mean, yeah, you could do some scalps and, enter from here to there and then exit. But why do that if you could do a higher probable setup and short from here? You have, let me just remove this. You had this reversal and the retest, and we could short from that point on and TP at the previous low. These buys, exactly like I said, those buy signals at the resistance, why we're going to take those signals? It just, it doesn't make any sense. Like, yeah, you could have scalped it like from here to there, but we want to take the buy signals down here. So let me see. Remove the consolidation. Yeah, let me get rid of the drawings now. Right here. Okay. So, right in this area, most traders would see a signal and want to enter and not pay attention to the higher time frame. And that's where things get really frustrating. You have an idea that you're going to see a signal and it's just going to go into profit for infinity, but then you're not applying the top-down analysis part, which is understanding the higher time frame. So here, I like this entry better because it's closer to the support area, and it did climb a little bit from there. But yeah, 3-minute time frame. Let's go ahead and just choose a random spot. We're going to do something totally random. Go back and turn it on. Okay. Boom. Let's go. Okay, well, let me just turn this up. Sweet. Yeah, these buy signals are better. Look at these buy signals here. Awesome. So it looks like you're scalping on the 3 minutes. And if you're going to scalp on the 3 minute, just make sure that you're doing top down analysis. So here you're looking at these retests, and let's just do a playback from right here, and we could start. We're going to do a case study on what it looks like when price touches the institutional entry line. Again, we have the 4 different options, and I'm going to go real slow so you guys can see. Right here, boom. As soon as it touched, boom, it goes straight into profit. So right here in the example where price is bullish, the TRF line is bullish, we have a buying volume in the top right-hand corner, plus 4%, okay? And we're going to do a long entry here. We would have first anticipated the entry before price even got there. Using the auto supply and demand zone that's part of prop from algo here, these little lines there, we can then use that as a stop loss right behind the previous low, and then look to the left for our take profit right here. Go a little higher. It's a 1 to 3, so it's not really a good risk to reward in my opinion. Let's see this area right there. Let's just go up to here. Now we have a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Other indicators, let's say, would have had a candle close and then a buy signal. So then your buy signal would be like up here. Here we have the entry lines. It's totally different. Totally different. So here when it comes down, let's see if it hits one more time to the entry. And right there. We could go another entry. This time we're using the D institutional entry line. Stop loss behind the B line, behind the 4-hour support, and we're going to use the same TP. We have 1 to 3 risk to reward on this second entry. Now we have a possible reversal that started happening right there. These possible reversals make the candles go gray. And then after the trend is confirmed, the candles start to become green. So literally, once we see a reversal and price is struggling, we could either put our stop in profit, and this would have been a solid break-even trade, which happens a lot, and that's what I do. You know, is I'd rather have a break-even trade and get out of the trade than a loss. And our second entry is still active. Now that it's broken that high, we could put our stop in profit right there. And then there's our TP. So the stop in profit, you would normally have to change it on the chart. Here, you could just do a stop in profit with one click. Literally just click this and it's stop in profit. But you could do it automatically as a lifetime member. If you are, let's say, a subscriber, then you could just do one click button and it'll do a stop in profit. So to do it automatically, you just literally do auto, and then you would put, okay, how many points or when do I want the stop in profit? And then you could just activate it right here, auto break even. And then it'll literally put your stop loss into profit automatically on a VPS, and you don't have to worry about it. Super awesome. Then you have an auto trailing stop. The subscriber one, it kind of looks like this. And then you have to, instead of putting it here, you have to like open it here and then do it there. Still real powerful tool. The monthly subscription model is basically the 2.0 version that lifetime members used to have. And now basically what happens is, as a lifetime member, we get first access to all the new updates. So we get the access to the 2.2 beta first than anyone. We get access to the 3.0 first than anyone. And then it trickles down to the other subscribers. Let's see who else we have right here. I traded 3-minute time frame myself, been profitable for 3 years. I need something that can add confluence so it's not stressful. I never use that big stop myself. I have pretty good understanding on the movement on the 3-minute time frame. Absolutely amazing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So let's see. The way that this thing could help is one, you have the dashboard right here. So it's going to tell you the buying and selling volume, buyers against seller. Oh, wait, I closed the chat. I need to see. All right. And then the TRF line is literally one of the ways to confirm a trend. I'm going to open up this right here. Where is... Okay, we're going to scroll down and just do one at a time. So we have... Oh, wait, that's really cool. I didn't even know I had that on. This is the RSI filter. So basically, it filters out any signals that are at the 4-hour overbought or oversold areas. So the oversold areas on the 4-hour, I'm saying I don't want those sell signals. Any buy signals that are overbought area on the RSI 4-hour, I don't want that. So that's helpful, which you don't want to enter on a 3-minute buy signal when on the 4-hour the market's showing otherwise, Same thing with the sells. You don't want to enter on a 3-minute sell signal and the RSI on the 4-hour is oversold. But let's just turn that off for now. And we're going to just do the TRF line. Turning off the TRF line, you're going to be able to see the difference between the RTD line and the TRF line. This is the RTD line. The RTD line is showing you the confirmed trend in buying and selling volume. So from here to here, it's saying that there's more buyers than sellers in this whole entire trend. That's confirmed from here to here. So seeing that there's more buyers than sellers, you can then take these buy signals instead of these short signals. That is one way that you can add confluence. And again, how many, it's crazy. How many sell signals do you see here against how many buy signals? This is a clear bullish trend. Why are you going to get a bunch of sell signals here when it's a bullish trend? So that's one helpful way. Another thing is anticipating your entry, right? It's the pullback entry that we're looking to do, and price is coming down to the entry point, and then we could decide, well, which entry do you want to take? Do you want to take this entry, that one, or this one? I personally like the B institutional entry line. It's the furthest retracement, and I also like the D institutional entry line. The first ones are typically the C and the A line. So let's just continue on. Right here. If we go long, starting at this point, personally, I already see that the risk to reward is not going to be good. Like this, and then previous highs there, I wouldn't take that trade. But it worked out. It worked out. Awesome. Well, if you have the daily resistance there, let's see if it goes all the way to the daily resistance. Look, the B line. There, look, the B line. Let's go. Awesome. Look at that. Boom, it's just spiking right there. Awesome. So you also have the RTD line that's basically showing you when there's a possible reversal alert, right? And if you have, let's say, the sell volume at 75%, then why are we going to take this buy signal? It's showing more sellers than buyers at that point. So that's a great way for you to be able to manage your decision making before deciding to enter the trade. Another thing that I like to do a lot is using these alerts or using the alerts of TradingView to set my anticipation before the trade even gets there. So let's just go ahead and show you what I mean. I can't put an alert while doing replay. So let's just let this thing load. Awesome. Let me see what's going on with this. Super excited, guys. Wow, man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got my account set up. Got the withdrawal. Really excited, man. Wow. Super awesome. Okay, let me see what we have going on over here on the right. Yeah, it's on the right. The buying and center volume. What's going on here? Looks like the live stream. There you go. Okay. So basically, if I have a anticipation to sell at the B institutional entry line, I could set up my alert right here. Move my alert to the B line. And then say 3-minute sell. So when price gets to this point, I could then anticipate price coming to the entry and get notified before price even gets to that area. And I want to know before price gets to that area so I can see the volume of that candle, how the candle is reacting to that zone. If the candle is reacting with a lot of strength, then I'm not going to enter that trade. But if I see that price is slowly climbing up to that area and it's not showing a lot of volume, then I will take that entry. A solid entry right here, short, and TP at the previous low or at the 4-hour support, something like this. Now, a lot of people will think that it's time to buy once price is up here. So that's how that works and how I like to do it. Let's see. You have double click the right numbers. No, double click on the right numbers, the price numbers, and auto scale it and fit it onto the screen. Well, if I do it like that, since there is a top-down analysis feature on the chart, it's going to scrunch it up. So that's why I move it like that. But I can, let's just choose a random spot. All right, we're going to choose a super random spot. So go back over here. Awesome. So again, if I double click the numbers like this, since there's an auto top-down analysis and there's basically something way up here and down there, it really scrunches it up. That's why I have it off like that. Awesome. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Sell, 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 sell on the way down. Beautiful. And only like one buy signal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2 losing trades. 8 winning trades. 9, 10, 11. 11 winning trades. And 2, 3, 4 losing trades. Crazy. And then 4, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 winning trades so far. No, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, look at this. Really, really awesome. So yeah, 3 minute. That's not typically a thing that I trade, but yeah, 3 minute. That's really cool to see. Now let's go on to the 3 minute on US 30. Let's see what that looks like. Yo, crazy, dude. Look at this, bro. Amazing. Yeah, awesome. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna log into my FX book. How do I do that? We're gonna log into my FX book. No, that's not the right one. All right, let me see if I can go ahead and fix this on the OBS really quick so you guys could see. One more time. Properties. Sweet. Let's go. Let's go. Awesome. So here we are. You guys can check me out right there while I look for the MyFX book. We're going to log in. Check this out in here. So remember, guys, in this live stream, we have eight people that are going to be able to use the 88% off, and it's only going to be available for this live stream. After the 8 signups are gone, that's it. The 88% off is no longer going to be available. We're going to go and sign in to the MyFX book where I started on a $55 account. Let's go here and took it all the way up to $10,000. Portfolio, log in. Got to put in my password real quick. I'm doing this because I don't want nobody logging into my email. Yeah, because I've been getting some weird notifications, people trying to log into my stuff. I really don't understand why. One second. So, real quick. Yeah, let's go. It's really hard for me to pronounce your name. Kia. Is that also Kia? I think it's Kia. Yeah, Kia. That's Kia. That's Kia right there. I'm telling you, Kia has been killing it inside of the markets, guys. She's been killing it with this indicator. She literally just signed up as a lifetime member. And inside of the Discord chat, she's been doing a phenomenal job. Looking at the trade ideas, following along, asking questions, and that is what it's about. That's what it is about with being at Prop from Algo. All right, so I logged into this. One second. I think it's this one. Okay. Awesome. Here we are. And sweet. So this is my FX book, guys. And this is as transparent as it gets, guys. I'm literally logging in. I tried to do a link where people could see it, but I don't know why it's not like linking for me to do a public. Every time I share the link, it says it's private. So this account, I literally started with, where we at? Deposit should be right here. $55. $55 deposit. And what's really great about this broker, they double your deposit and then you get a bonus. So I got the double bonus, and I got the bonus of the first deposit. They double your first deposit, and then I got the bonus from the amount of lots. Started with $55, and now at 9,000% gains, I'm currently sitting at a $10,000 account. Right here. How do you see the right there? Boom. $10,000. And each and every single trade I sent out in the chat. I screen recorded every single trade. So if you guys want to see that video, you can literally go check out the video that I sent out where I screen recorded every single trade. We're going to look at the profit factor. 80% of my longs are winning positions, and then 100% of my shorts were winning positions. Now, with this flip account, I could lose it at any time. I don't recommend trading this way with a small amount of capital. I'm literally risking like 40% of my account when I'm trading this thing. So it's a different approach. I do not recommend doing this style of trading if you're a new trader. Just this month of January, we're looking at 135% gains. Let's see. Texas is great. Yeah, let's go. Side question. What made you move to Dubai? Not moved. I was there for a little bit and stayed there for like 6 months in 2021. And then last year I was there for like 2 months. But I'm not in Dubai now. I'm actually in Los Angeles. I love Dubai. It's super awesome. Really, really great with the trading industry over there is awesome. I network a lot. I stayed there for 6 months, and I loved it while I was out there. But I'm not living there. No, I'm not. I'm not living over there. Taxes is great for Dubai if you're not an American, because if you're an American, you still have to pay taxes anywhere you go. So yeah, let's look at the last month here. Crazy, 72%, 112%. November, I made 1,028%, and step by step, sending every single trade, man. Let's go on to the history. And what's crazy is when I first started this challenge, there's a point where I only had $23. There's only $23 in the account. Yeah. Right here. It was around this time right here. Around this time here, I only had like $23 left in the account, and literally screen recording it. And I'm saying, well, this is the last chance that I have. And if the trade messes up, then I lose the account. And I got lucky and it went through. So yeah, I don't recommend trading like this with one being a new trader, but it's fun to see and just show you what is possible with, burp there. Showing you guys what's possible with using prop from algo, and showing you what's possible with just the Forex market in general. And more importantly, is using tools like this where you can have your risk management. It's the most important thing. Like the strategy is amazing. The opportunity of understanding the bullish and bearish trends are great, but really it's all within risk management, guys. Trading is all within risk management. If you don't have your risk management down, it's never going to work. It's never going to work. So to answer the question for Khan, sorry if I butchered your name, the real power is using the alerts, using the price action, buying and sell alerts with confirming the trend, and of course, number one, the risk management tool right here. Currently, the MT4 version, to me, has less bugs and works smoother than the MT5 version. The MT5 version is the next update that they're going to do. They currently do have MT5 available now, but the MT5 beta has a couple bugs. So if you're looking to join, I would say join now before the MT5 final alpha launch comes out, so you lock in that sale. You lock in that sale, which is going to be ending soon. And then, like I said, it's only going to be available for 1,000 people. And here, this is where prop from algo really shines. It's very similar to, there's another company there, I forgot, that has like a auto lot size calculator type of thing. But instead of having it physically, it's right here on the chart where you can do an automatic partial close. You could even set multiple take profits here. So let's just go like this. Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame on XAU. Look at this signal here. That is a total of 6,000 points, 600 pips. And this last buy signal here, 3,000 points. Let's say I want to enter at this institutional entry line. First, we have to define our stop loss and take profit. It automatically does it at the previous highs and lows with a simple click of a button. And then I'm going to say my limit order here, and I'm going to bring a tighter stop to just below this area. And now I'm going to, let's say, just risk 1%. All right. We can set multiple take profits with this here. This is take profit number 1. And let's say once price retraces down to this entry, which we understand we have a bullish confirmed trend, so we want to be buying. And at the retracement, when price is down here, everybody's going to be selling. Everybody thinks it's time to sell. We're going long, literally doing the opposite. Let's say we want to have a TP here. We could literally have our TP there. Let me just move this. Let's say you're going to go for a swing on the weekly. And then I want my second TP right here. And then my, let's say, third TP there. Now, 10% close there. I'm doing another 10% close here, second TP. And I could literally walk away. And it's going to close 10% when price reaches these multiple take profits automatically. And notice that it says order number 3054260. That is the same order here, 3054260. Meaning, I could choose my individual trade. Trade number 1. So that is a multiple take profit for trade number 1. If I do a trade number 2, let's say I have another trade down here, and then I'm going to do another TP here, and then limit order at the B line, let's just say. And I'm going to risk another 1%. Now I could then choose trade number 2 right here, and then do my multiple take profits again. Awesome. So I could say TP1 for order number 2146. You see, 2146 right here. So now I'm doing individual take profits for individual trades where it will close automatically while I walk away. To activate the multiple take profits, let's go. Multiple take profits, you're going to go TP2, TP1, and TP3. Now they're activated. And if I want to, let's say, change the TP. Oh, wait, let's do TP1 here. Trendline, Spotify. We're going to trendline properties. And let's say I want to close 30% of my trade. Hit OK. Now it changes to 30%. Activate the multiple take profit for my trade number 2. And now when price reaches to that area, it's going to automatically close 30%. Amazing. Amazing. So that is the power of prop from algo, guys. Make sure you check out the website. Use the 88% off. That's only going to be available to 8 people. And the spots are running out. Literally just withdrew $33,000. I should be getting my certificate soon. Let's see. Boom. Oh, look at that. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Amazing. Amazing, bro. Wow, 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 wow. So there it is, guys. My withdrawal certificate, 33,545 on my 100K account using prop firm algo on FX Live capital. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So yeah, you guys get to see this right here, hands on. This is exactly as transparent. Excuse me, as transparent as it gets, guys. There's no more transparency than this, honestly. Like, I'm showing you guys exactly everything. Logging in onto my FX book, logging in to the broker, to my prop firm, showing you everything step by step. Like, honestly, if I wish I had this when I first started trading. When I first started trading, I had none of this stuff. I had none of this stuff here. I had to figure it out the hard way. Um, I had to figure out how to calculate my lots on my own. Now it's a few simple clicks and it's done just like that. Just like that. So really awesome to see how far things have gone in the trading technology space, where tools like Prop from Algo exist, where you can, few simple clicks, automatically create your lot size, like I showed you guys over here. And again, this is just an example, guys. I'm not going to be doing these trades at all. And I could just delete all this stuff. These are just examples. I'm definitely not going to be taking these trades. Delete. 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 Awesome. We're going to be doing live trading next week with the lifetime members, where it's just us, the lifetime members, where we can discuss on trade ideas and also just look at the entries that I'm personally doing, where you can follow along as well, live in a live environment, which is a lots of fun. Here, I'm just doing Ask Me Anything. So if there's any questions for you guys, this is the time. This is the time for, you're not American. Nice. This is the time. Luckily, I have dual citizenship, so I can literally just get my accounts here at FX Life Capital. Unfortunately, if you're a United States citizen with a USA passport and don't have ID from somewhere else, then you're not going to be able to get accounts at FX Life Capital, unfortunately. But FX Life Capital is a great option for your self-funded accounts and also your prop accounts, as you guys see. So far we got we got 5 people in the Zoom right now. Zoom, excuse me, on the live. I think we've went over lots of things. And if you have any further questions, remember, guys. Oh wait, we're gonna be giving away a lifetime membership. We're gonna be giving away a lifetime membership, and the lifetime member giveaway. Let's see who's gonna be the winner. Who's gonna be the winner? Who's gonna be the winner? I said in this video, in one of the past videos, that I was gonna give away a lifetime membership, and it was this one. Where was it? Where was that video? Okay, I think it was this one. All right. Nope, it wasn't that one. Yeah, this is the live trade that I did. Nope, not that one. Let's go. I think it was this one. That do not go with the direction of the higher time frame trend. Like for example, right here. Yeah, I should have done this before. I have no idea which one which video it was that we're gonna give to the giveaway. Was it this one? Nope. Nope. All right. Let's figure out which video we're gonna use to give away a lifetime membership. I think it was. I think it was this one. Yep, it was this one. It was this one right here. We're gonna give away a lifetime membership right now in this live stream. We had Young Greasy, Meta Bid Trader. We had Prop Firm Algo, which doesn't count, and we had Ed. I don't know how to say that. Let's just do a random picker. Random. Random picker wheel. I don't even know if that's a thing. Picker wheel. Let's go. All right, we're going to do a whole random person inside of here that was going to get a free lifetime membership. We have Young Greasy. I'm going to do more giveaways, guys, so make sure you like and subscribe so that way you can have a possible free lifetime membership. We're going to go... There's only 2 people who commented. Oh, let's go. Plus and plus. A 50% chance. I like it. This is something like trading. If you're watching, one of you guys are going to get a lifetime membership for free. Let's see who it is. Let's go. And then you're going to go one. Where is it? 1, 2, 3, and shuffle. Spin. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Young Greasy. Let's go, Young Greasy 360. You are the winner of the lifetime membership. So hit me up, make a comment. Let me know if you're watching this. I hope, or I'll go to your page and maybe I'll just comment on your channel. And then I'll let you know how to get your lifetime membership and how to claim it. I'm going to go ahead and get you loaded up and basically buy you a membership. I'm literally going to buy you a membership, bro. So really exciting stuff, man. Congratulations on Young Greasy. Let me see right here. Awesome. Awesome. So yeah, we got a lifetime giveaway. And remember, guys, there's only going to be 8 people to use the 88% off. 88% off, so that way you get access to signals like these. Look at this. 3-minute on US 30. Absolutely amazing. 9,000% gains starting with $55. $55 account, which is now looking at $10,000, guys. Withdraw right from my prop account live with you guys in the same day. Super fast. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Plus you get 15% off on all these products. So you have the products on the prop firm. Let's just take a look at Live Effects. Live Effects is going to be like a one-step funding challenge, I believe. Let's say the 200K. Look at that. One-step challenge and straight to funded. Normally, you would have to do a two-step challenge and pay this price for a two-step challenge account. Bi-weekly payouts. And if we get a 10% off with my code, AlgoBros10, which you can use right now, you're getting a 200K account for only $843. So as a lifetime member, 15% off, you're going to get a 200K account for less than $800. It's amazing. 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 So yeah, guys, use that 88% off before it's too late and it gets taken up. I don't even know how many people have used it, but only 8 people are going to have access to the 88% off to sign up as a lifetime member of Prop from Algo. Amazing. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, yeah, that's it, guys. I think this wraps it up. We went over the strategy. We went over the withdrawals. I shown you how I was able to get this payout and showed you the seamless withdrawal process. If you guys want to see how to get the withdrawals out from the broker to your crypto exchange, make sure you like and sub. You're going to like and sub so that way you don't miss out on the next following videos. We just had an alert on the H4 sell on Great British Pound. Let's look at the 4-hour. Look at the 3-minute on Great British Pound. Absolutely amazing, dude. Look at this. To the sky. Bullish confirmation. Nothing but buy signals. But let's go on to the 4-hour. Amazing. It's at the B institutional entry line. Absolutely amazing. And we have these sell signals here on the confirmed trend. You can clearly see that on the higher time frame, these are beautiful, 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 beautiful. So we're going to look at, let's say, a 3-minute short signal here, which would make sense because now price is at this 4-hour possible rejection at the B institutional entry line. The B institutional entry line, if we look on the fib, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, the 70.5. Amazing. Now we're going to check out, let's say, US oil. On the 1-hour. Wow. Textbook. Look at this beautiful entry right here. Long position, retracement, TP at the daily resistance, 1 to 4 risk to reward. Spot on. Well, guys, I think that wraps it up. We had an amazing live stream. I want to thank every single one of you guys who are here today and participated. And congratulations to the lifetime member winner, which is, again, Young Greasy 369. I'm going to send you a message, or if you see this or go onto Discord, write to me because you are the winner. You are the winner, and I'm going to see everybody who's a lifetime member next week for the live Zoom calls. We're going to do live trading with the lifetime members of Prop from Algo, and we're going to also have trade ideas sent out next week, just like we did all in the last couple months. Took a break for the holidays, but now it's time to be back at it. And we're going to start also going back into my flip account challenge, and I'm going to be sending out those trades here. So that way you can follow along. But please do not over leverage. Trade responsibly, guys. Please trade responsibly. Do not rush the process, and don't look to flip an account super fast. It's all about risk management. And that's the number one thing that Prop from Algo pushes. And I take pride to be able to have tools like Prop from Algo. And it's a real big honor to be part of the team. So you guys seen it, the login, FX Live, the MyFX book, the inside the private chats, the sending out of the trades, on top of the profits of the community. Kia, you've been killing it. You've been killing it with these trades. Absolute win, another win after win. I love to see these profits in the chats. We have Castle LLC, who's been following along as well. Shout out to Castle LLC. Look at that. We had a little 0.01 on XAU, $13. That's 130 pips. 130 pips on one single trade. Absolutely amazing. And yeah, I think that wraps it up, guys. Let me see here. Thank you so much for everyone who participated once again. And make sure to sign up with that 88% off, because it's only going to be available to those lucky 8 people. I don't know how many of those have already used it. So make sure to take that opportunity. As a lifetime member, you're going to get the 15% off on all funding challenges with FX Life Capital if you're not from USA. If you are from USA, you could get 15% off on the USA-based prop firm that they have a partnership with. Also, you get all access to updates first than anyone. That's the 2.2 dashboard that's coming out next for MT5. And then you get access to the live streams, which is going to start next week. The live streams are going to start next week. So we're going to be participating with all the lifetime members, and it's going to be lots of fun. Thank you so much, guys. You are a beast. Thank you, Rufai. Sorry if I butchered your name. Rufai, amazing. Can't wait to do this again. It was great for all you guys who participated.